Alright YouTube, I need your help. Check out both of these steering wheels and you let me know which one's the best one. I was told to go with the original one, but I just can't. I don't know why. I like the other one better. But you let me know what you think. Alright folks, here we go. So I finally got the steering wheel in. I was getting a lot of people always hitting me up telling me you should go with the OEM style that would go with that particular dash. So I found one and I ordered it, got it in, and let's see about how we're gonna do it to install it. And I also went ahead and ordered the steering column cover. Gonna see how I'm gonna make this one work. I don't know. It's gonna be a tough one, but we'll figure something out. Well, it looks like it's time to remove the old steering wheel. This steering wheel has been on this car since 2008 or 2007, I believe. Yeah, I did. I bought the car in 2007, and then I drove over to O'Reilly's and I bought this steering wheel, swapped it out. Thought I was all bad because I was modifying my car. I was like, man, look at this, check it out, man, super modifications. Then I put some 13-inch wires. After that, I upholstered the interior purple. Car was white from the outside, purple suede all inside. And now here we are again. Alright, that's gonna be trash. Now I know this video is a lot shorter than I normally do, which I know a lot of people don't even watch the whole videos, but for the ones that do go through and watch the whole video, much love and respect for that. But I needed to throw this short one out there so you guys could help me out, give me some input, let me know what you guys think about both of these steering wheels. So drop them comments, man. Let me know as soon as possible. I need to know what's up so I can, go ahead and either just modify the new one or just install the old school one, which technically is still a new looking one, but you know what I mean. I hope you all enjoying that ASMR. So for the new ones that are noticing that all these bolts are pretty much coming off by hand, I had already taken off the steering wheel and just slapped it back on just to be able to move it around the garage. Yeah. Now I know I'm gonna have to cut something. Nothing ever fits just perfect. And the steering wheel wasn't even that expensive. It was like 65 bucks, and I didn't even know you could make offers on eBay, so I went ahead and just like shot an offer of 40 bucks just to check, and they didn't take the 40, but they went back to 50, and I was like, sold. And so check it out. I think just by shaving this off right here, I would be good if I just, wham. Yeah, I think so. Shave it off. I don't think this comes off. All right, now the thinking part. So I think if I just shimmy that on there, drill the 3 holes, because in reality, those 3 set holes that are there, that's what's going to keep it from twisting on you. The middle one, that's just more for like support, and it is kind of sticking out too much, so I would just have to hack this right here. I can get on there pretty close. Just flush that out. Well, I guess I'll just start on that steering column cover, because regardless, if I don't get that on there nicely, nothing else is gonna matter. All right, well, I'm just gonna start off with taking some basic measurements, you know, from here to there, from there to here, that kind of stuff. Got this nice little fancy tool I got on the Amazon for $7. Light this shit up. And let's see here. We got 42. It's about 13. Now I'm just gonna make like just a little slit on here just to get it started, and then after that I'm just gonna kind of just cut it into like a little circle, you know, kind of like how the cars originally have them. Now I ended up having to trim a lot off of this, like a lot. I pretty much just flushed everything down right here, and I ended up making this little round teardrop style look right here, just to make it look nice and clean. Boom! Look at that. Cherry, I'm gonna put a screw right there. Or maybe not. We'll see. Snap on this top piece. Like so. Come on, baby. Ooh, look at that. That's cherry right there. That's money. And I might end up using this cover right here that was from that older steering wheel. Yep, that boy right there. And then I'll just go ahead and probably just trim out this hole a little bit bigger. Then I'll just go ahead and throw this one on there. Now keep in mind, it's going to get closer when I cut this piece off right here. Then I guess I would have to get these little caps here. I wonder if I could just remove everything. Like just take this whole steering wheel apart. Probably could. But I don't know. I'm just going to wait till, you know, I kind of get some feedback and see what's up. Sure, I know for sure I ain't going to need these wires right here because none of these are going to be functional. Might just clip all those off. Whatever. So this is the steering wheel that originally was going to go in this car first. Then I went ahead and purchased this other OEM style steering wheel. But I don't know, guys. Look, check it out. I'm kind of digging that. That looks. It just looks smooth. You know. I mean, it looks like. It looks somewhat old school, but new school. I mean, keep in mind that the wood grain is going to get wrapped with leather as well. So I'm not going to be leaving the wood grain on there. Just picture the steering wheel. I feel like it just kind of flows with it. Then I put this one on. And yeah, it looks nice. I mean, don't get me wrong. It goes with the dash. I know I don't have the rest of the dash on there to kind of, you know, make it look better. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. So for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep messing with this, just, finessing it, cleaning up edges, just making that fitment nice and perfect. And I'm also gonna jump on that dash, the dash pad on top, so I can go ahead and put the dash back together. But let me know what you guys think on that steering wheel. And also remember, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and thank you for watching.